In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize address format in Zoho Invoice. Customizing your organization's address format helps your invoices, estimates, and other documents look professional and meet local postal standards. You can control exactly how your company address appears, which fields are shown, and the order they're displayed in. Let's walk through it together at an easy pace. Start on your Zoho Invoice dashboard. Look to the top of the page for the settings icon, the small gear. Click that to open your account settings. From there, choose General Preferences. This is where you manage many of your organization level defaults, including how your address is laid out on your documents. Inside General Preferences, find the section labeled Organization Address Format. This is the workspace where you'll design the exact lines, punctuation, and placeholders that make up your address block. You'll see a text area showing the current arrangement, often using placeholders that automatically pull information from your organization profile. Take a moment to review what's already there. You might see your company name, street address, city, and country represented as dynamic fields. These placeholders ensure that if you update your organization details later, your documents stay accurate without you having to edit each template manually. If you need additional details to appear, click Insert Placeholders. This opens a list of fields you can drop into the address. Common additions include state or province and zip or postal code. Select the ones you need and they'll be inserted right where your cursor is, so place your cursor carefully before you add them. Feel free to type commas, spaces, or line breaks around the placeholders to match your preferred style. For example, you can keep the city and state on one line with a comma between them and put the postal code at the end, or move the postal code to its own line if that reads better for your region. As you edit, keep clarity in mind. Use standard abbreviations your customers will recognize, avoid duplicate punctuation, and remove any extra blank lines. If you work across borders, make sure the country appears and is spelled out consistently to prevent delivery confusion. When you're happy with the layout, click Save. This locks in your formatting and applies it to your organization's address wherever it's used in Zoho Invoice going forward. If something doesn't look right later, you can return to the same section and fine-tune the placeholders or spacing until it's perfect. That's it. You've customized your address format in Zoho Invoice for a cleaner, more professional look on every document.